Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to find your Facebook profile keyword code. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to click on here to open my Facebook app. Like so, having opened up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to simply make use of search engine right there. Click on this search icon. It take you right there. Next thing you want to do is to simply type in QR code. Then click on search. It take you right there. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on here. It take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to click on my code. So it take you right here. So this is your QR code for your Facebook account. You can simply screenshot this particular QR code, send it to anybody that they want to add you on their Facebook account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find and how you can make a screenshot of your Facebook profile QR code. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.